Hi everyone, I Shurujit welcome you all on Econometrics Day channel. आज हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं क्लास 10 का मैथमेटिक्स। तो चलिए बिना वक्त गवाए शुरू करते हैं आज का क्लास।
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Now today class 10 students, we are again going to continue with chapter 13 statistics, and we are going to continue with exercise 13.3, and today's part is part 2. If you have not watched the part 1, that is the introduction part, I have shared the link at the end of the video. Do watch that part and then watch the second part. Then what will happen, the concept will be much more clearer to you, and then you will be able to do the sums more easily. Okay. Now today we are going to solve question number 1. So let us see what they are telling us in the question. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. So it is giving the monthly consumption of how many consumers? 68 consumers of a locality. So find the median, that means you have to find out median, then mean and mode. Three things only you have to find out. And after that you have to compare them. So first we will find out median, then mean, then mode, and after that at last we will compare them. Okay, all the three, mean, median and mode. Okay. So let us, this is the data given, monthly consumption in units, okay, and number of consumers. So when we are doing, or when we are going to find out median, what I told you, we have to do a third column, that is called the cumulative frequency, CF, okay. And how is to do the CF? We will take the frequency, this is the frequency, and from this frequency only we will take it and we will go on adding, okay. 4, I wrote 4. After that, this 4 plus, what is the next one? 5. So what it comes? 9. Then 9 plus, the next one is how much? 13. So 9 plus 13 is how much? 22. Then 22 plus 20, how much comes? 42. Yes or no? Then 42 plus 14. So 4 plus 2, 6. And 4 plus 1, 5. So 56. If you cannot do directly, you can do the rough. Right? Now, after that, 56 plus 8. How much comes? 64. And 64 plus 4. How much comes? 68. See, the consumers, total number of consumers is 68. When you add it, this also comes 68 only. So we have to take this one. This is the N. Okay, this is what? This is only the N. So what I will write here next? N. Okay, you will write below, but I am writing on this side. Okay, so N is equal to 68. Therefore, now I will find out N by 2. So N by 2 will be what? 68 by 2. And you can cut it, okay, reduce it. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So 34th item. Clear? Now this 34th item is lying in the cumulative frequency in between which row or in which row? Okay. So 34, if it is your roll number is 34, then you will come and stand between what? 22 and 42. So you will give an arrow mark. Once it has crossed the third row, this is the first row, second row, third row. Once it has crossed the third row, then you cannot go back to the third row. You will take the fourth row. Okay. And this fourth row is only known as the median class. This is only known as what? Median class. Clear? Like this only I told you. Now what we will write? Since 34th item lies between cumulative frequency CF, okay, 22 and 42, therefore median class will be what? See this one, 125 dash 145. So we got the median class. Once we got the median class, now I can write L equal to 125, comma, then n by 2. So n by 2 is how much? Already you got it. How much? 34. Then after that we will find out what? CF. CF. So CF is how much? CF will be cumulative frequency before the median class. So before is which one? 22. So we will take 22. And F is what? Frequency of the median class. So that will be here 20. Clear now? And then the last one is H. H will be how much? The gap between these two, 125 to 145. So the gap is how much? 20. So we got it. H is what? 20. Now I will put the formula. Therefore, median. By this time, I think all my students, you know the formula. Okay. L plus then n by 2 minus CF, and below will be F into H. So this is the formula. Now I will put the values. So L is how much? 125 plus. Now we will draw one line. N by 2 is how much? 34 minus. Okay. Now CF is how much? CF 22. And F is how much? 20 into. Now H is also 20. So 20, 20 you can cut it. You can cancel it. Okay. Now after that, if I draw one line here, and from here if I go here. Okay. So what I will do? Equal to 125 plus. Now 20, 20 already I have cut. Now 34 minus 22 is how much? 12. And when you add it, 125 and 12 is how much? 137. And the answer we will make it in units. So 137 units. And this is the answer. Okay. Answer for what? For the median. So I hope you have understood how to find out the median. Now students, if you are new in my channel, if you like this video, if you like my channel, then I would like to request all my students to please give a like, share this video more and more with your friends, classmates, relatives, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Because when you subscribe, it really motivates me to make more such interesting videos for you all. And also don't forget to press the all notification bell, ting ting, so that whenever I upload such videos, you are going to get the notifications first. Now, once we have found out the median, now we will find out the mean. Okay. So we can do in this chart only, or we can do separately also. So let's start solving the mean. Now we are going to find out the mean. So I have written the data again, the chart again. And this one, the second one is what? Frequency. So I will write what? Fi. Now we are going to add it, summation Fi or sigma Fi, and that will be 68 only, because there are 68 consumers. Now after that, the third column will be mid value. So mid value is what? Xi. So how to find out mid value? Already I told you, lower plus upper divided by 2, or upper plus lower divided by 2. So Xi means this is the formula. So if I want to do a rough, so 65 plus 85 divided by 2. Okay. So how much it comes? 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry 8 plus 6, 14 plus 1, 15 by 2. So how much it comes? 75. See, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 1 extra. So 2 5s are 10, 75. So we will write here 75. Then next one is what? Again 85 plus 105 by 2. So 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry. So 1, and here is 8. So 9. Again here 1 is there, 190 by 2. If you cut it, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 1 carry, and it becomes 10, 2 5s are 10. So it comes what? 95. So this is 95. Clear? 75, 95. Now you can see here how much it is increasing. 20, 20 it is increasing. Why? Because if you see here 95 and the previous one was 75. So 20, 20 increasing. So we will go on adding 20, 20. So 95, see here 95 plus 20, how much comes? 115. So again 115 plus 20, if I add, I am going adding. Okay. So 5, 3, so 135. Then 135 plus 20, how much comes? 155. And then 155 plus 20, how much comes? 175. Again 175 plus 20, if you add, so how much comes? 195. So 195. Clear no? So this is how we find out the mid value. Now after that, let me rub this rough portion. Okay. After that, we are going to find out mean. Now mean, there are three methods. Direct method is there, assumed mean method is there, and step deviation method is there. So I will be using the step deviation method. Why? Because here the values are very big. So I will use the step deviation because it is the easiest one. Okay. You can use any method. Okay. 75, and I will make it as A. A means assumed mean. So what I will write? Let the assumed mean A equal to how much? 75. So I got the assumed mean. Okay. And I can write here C. Okay. So I am taking the assumed mean as 75. Now I will find out UI. UI is what? Formula xi minus A by H. Clear no? But only we will write the formula, nothing else. Where it is A, this one is A, we will put 0. Then what I told you, 1, 2, 3. After 0, 1 comes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if there is more, 7, 8, 9, like this way it will go. Okay. Now after that, the last column is Fi into Ui. That means Fi multiplied with Ui. So Fi is this one, Ui is this one. So you use another hand. Okay, the left hand, 4 into 0, 0. Then 5 into 1, 5. Then 13 into 2, 26. Then 20 into 3, 60. Then 14 into 4. So 4 4s are 16, 1 carry, 4 1s are 4, 5. So 56. Now 8 5s are 40. Okay, and 4 6s are 24. So we got the Fi Ui. Now we will add it. So summation Fi or sigma Fi Ui equal to how much? See, 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 6, how much comes? 17. 17 plus 4, 21. So 2 here. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 4, 19, 20, 21. So 2, 1, 1. We got it. How much? 2, 1, 1. And here summation Fi is what? 68. Now what I will write? By step deviation method. So I will be using the step deviation method. Mean, I am writing the formula. X bar equal to A plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi into H. Okay. So A is how much? A is 75 plus. Okay. A is 75. You got it. Now after A, summation Fi Ui is how much? 211 divided by this is how much? 68. And H already you have done the sum. Median H was how much? 20. So we will write here 20. Now 75 plus. Now we can cancel 20 and 68. See here, 2 10s are 20. Again 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Okay. Again I can cancel 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 1 extra. So 14, 2 7s are 14. So what you get? 211 into 5 and downside is 17. So downside one, let me write it down. And 211 into 5 is how much? 211 into 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So 1055. Clear? This one we got it. Now the last step, 75 plus, we will divide this one. Let me divide it here. 1055, I will divide by 17. So 17 will go with 1, no. Then with 10, yes or no? No, because 10 is small. Then 105, it will go. So it will go closer. Let us try with 6. 6 7s are 42, 4 carry. Now 6 1s are 6 plus 4, 10. So 102. So now what comes down? 3. Okay, if you subtract 5 minus 2, 3. Now what will come down? 5 will come down. Now 17, how much are closer to 35? 34. So 17 2s are 34. Now 1 is the remainder. Now nothing, no number is there. So I will put point and then 0 comes here. So 10 comes. Now 17 will go with 10. No. So 17 zeros are 0. So again 10 will be there. Again I will put one more 0. Now it is 100. Okay. So 17 6 are 102. So you can do it. What? 17 less than 6 is what? 5. So 17 5s are. So what you get? If you do it, 85. See, 5 7s are 35. 3 carry. 5 1s are 5 plus 3 8. 85. Bus finished. No more. So 62.05. Now we are going to add these two. Okay. So 75 means 75.00 and this is 62.05. So if you add 5 then 0 then point below point, 5 plus 2 7 or 7 plus 6 13. So what you get? 137.05 units, and this is the answer, and you got the answer for mean. Okay, so mean you got 137.05, median you got 137 units. Now left, what is left? To find out the mode. So we will find out the mode. So for that I have to rub this portion. So I hope you have understood this part. Now let me rub it. Okay. Now if I want to do the mode, okay. So mode is also very easy, easier than median also and mean also. So mean or median, what is the answer we got? 137 units. And mean, what answer we got? 137.05 units. Clear? This is the answers we got for median and mean. So for mode, these are the two charts given to us, and summation Fi we don't need. This was for the mean one. So this was the chart. Now from this chart, which is the highest frequency? So the highest frequency is 20. So this will be what? The modal class. So what I will write? Since 20 is the max frequency, therefore modal class equal to, so this is the modal class 125-145. Clear? Now after that, what we will write? L, the values. Okay, L will be what? 125. Then F0, F1 and F2. So this will be F1, after that F2, before 1 F0. So F0 is how much? 13, then this is 20 and this one is 14. And H is how much? 20. H the same. Okay. Now we will put the formula. Mode equal to L plus, okay, F1 minus F0 to F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Clear? So this is the formula, and by this time you all know the formula. Yes or no? The formula, to know the formula is very important. Now after writing the formula, what I will do? I will put the values. So 125 plus, now I will draw the line. Now F1 is how much? 20 minus F0 is how much? 13. Then 2 into 20 minus 13 minus 14 and into H is what? 20. Now 125, we will never touch this 125, will not disturb. Okay, now 20 minus 13, 7, and 2 into 20 is how much? 40, minus 13 minus 14 into 20. Now 125 plus, then 7, now 40 minus 13. So how much comes? 27 minus 14 into 20. Now 125 plus 7, and now 27 minus 14 is how much? 13 into 20. Now let me do it here. So what comes? 125 plus 7 into 20, how much? 140 by 30. Now we will divide and then we will add it. So 140, if I divide with 13, okay, 13 ones are 13. So 1 remainder, then 0 comes down, it is smaller, so 13 zeros are 0 only. So again 10. Now I will put the point and then 0. Clear? No? Now what I will do, I will see closer. Okay, so it will go closer to which one? Let us see 13 into 7. 7 3s are 21, 7 1 7 8 9. So 91 is closer to 100. So 7s are clear, no? So 7 3s are 21 and here 9. Okay. So 91. Now how much is left? 9 is left. Then again I can give 0. So now what I will do? 13 7s are 91. So it will go with 6. So 6 3s are 18. 1 carry. 6 1s are 6 7 78. Bus finished. So 10.76. So now I am going to add it. So 125 plus 10.76 when I will add. So how I will add? Let me show the rough here. 125.00 and this is what? 10.76. So 6, 7 and 5, 3, 1. So what you get? 135.76 and this is the units. Okay, the answer will be represented as units. So I got the mode also. So all the 3 values I got it. So the first one I wrote median, then mean, and now mode is how much? 135.76 units. Okay, now the last thing they have asked us that compare them. That means you have to compare all these 3, median, mean and mode. You have to compare it. So how we will compare it? So we can write, if I rub this one, then what we will write? That what is the comparison between all the 3, median, mean and mode. Now what we can write? The 3 measures are approximately the same in this case. They are almost same in this case. Okay, see 137 units, 137.05 units and 135.76 units. They are almost same. Okay, median, mean and mode, and that is the comparison. I hope you have understood all the parts of this sum. How to find out median, how to find out mean, how to find out mode, and at last how to compare all the 3 things. So practice this sum nicely. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। मिलते हैं और एक अच्छे नए कंटेंट के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।